Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one website, pay you Ethereum just watching advertisement. I know a lot of you want to just watch advertisement and earn some bunch of cryptocurrency or bunch of USD pay you. Okay, this website pay you 100% and 100% free website. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. This is the website. From this website you can earn free cryptocurrency. Okay, how you can earn I share with you right now. This website link available in description right now. This website pays 6 Ethereum to their people to come here, join, and they make their withdrawals. Okay, and this is the all deposits. Okay, and this is the all withdrawals found in their wallet. Okay, it's very easy. This website link available in description. Just click register. You register yourself in here, username, first name, last name, email, password, confirm password, choose your gender, just check it and solve deleted capture. Okay, that's too easy. I have already account. Just I go to login my account. Okay, right now I log into my account and you can see this is the all account, and you can start earning in here. The first way of the earning come down. The first way is the surfing ads. Okay, if you like to just watch advertisement earn, the surfing ads is the one of the best. Okay, just click surfing ads, watch advertisement, you can earn your free cryptocurrency instantly in your balance, and after reaching the minimum amount you can withdraw your amount. Okay, for surfing, just first solve a little capture, then you can start claiming. Okay, after solving the captures just click enter. Okay, and after that you can watch advertisement. You can watch this ads. This ads pay you 112 Ethereum for 80 seconds watch. Okay, just click and come here and stay 80 seconds and you can easily earn your free cryptocurrency. I pause the video, I come back. Okay, 80 seconds is finished. Now reload the page and come again with the new advertisement. Okay, just click the next one and you can watch the advertisement, and you can watch advertisement. Okay, just wait 62 seconds and you can earn this much Ethereum. Okay, this very easy way. You can just click it and wait in here. And a lot of people think this will be make much more time. That's not okay, because every day you spend your 30 minutes and you can earn much more cryptocurrency from here. Okay, every day just 30 minutes. Okay, just I pause the video until they finished. Okay, that's it. I watched 2 advertisements and you can watch the next one too. One capture you can watch 5 other advertisement. After 5 advertisement you can solve another capture. Okay, the next one is a short links. If you want to earn much more, short links is another best way. Daily you can earn this much Ethereum. Okay, 53 short links available in here. Just watch the all short links, you can earn this much Ethereum. That's too easy, just watching short links. The next one is next one, just the referral. You can refer your friends to come join this website. You can see I have 11 referral and no one earned for me. Okay, referral your friends, 8% of the referral earning pay you. The next one is the withdraw. You can withdraw your funds easily to your wallet address. You have 2 type of withdraw. One to Faucet Pay, the next one to Microport. Okay, the first one is the Faucet Pay. You can just click in Faucet Pay. Okay, wait few seconds This website pay is tell you how much is the minimum withdrawal in the Faucet pay. This much Ethereum is the minimum withdrawal in the Faucet pay. And the next one is a micro wallet. Okay, what is the wallet address? This website told you. Okay, the micro pot wallet, just click it and you can fill your registration. Okay, and you can instantly withdraw in this one. I didn't know about this micropot wallet, but maybe I will be research about micropot wallet, then I make a video about this. Okay, just I click this one, and this is edit profile. You can fill your all profile. Maybe this wallet address will be work. Okay, you can put your username and just click change. And this is a micropot wallet. Okay, you can put your Faucet pay too. Just click micropot wallet, show you another wallet address. You can instantly withdraw in this one, and you can earn very less in this one. Maybe the payout in here is very less. Last withdrawal, this is all last withdrawal from this website. Okay, support for cryptocurrency, not 4, there's 5. Don't show the dogecoin in here. Okay, 5 cryptocurrency supported: BTC, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Doge. I will make a new video about this wallet address. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. This website link available in description. You can start your free earning in here. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Bye bye for now.